Hello, good morning everyone. Thanks for watching this video. I'm right now at East Coast Park, Cyclist Park I believe, and behind me you can see a beautiful beach, and then along the beach there are many campers. I can see maybe at least 10 to 15 tents and then some tarps and all that. People are enjoying themselves. Today's weather is amazing. It's not hot. It is not raining. It's been raining for the past couple of weeks. Today's weather is just amazing. Okay, so since the weather is so good, I've decided that I will do a unboxing video. All right, so today the unboxing video is about something that I bought from Taobao and it arrived last week. It is something huge. Okay, just to give you a hint. Okay, so anyway, here it is. This is quite heavy. So this is a Tawa, made in China brand. This is a Tawa Canopy Tent. Okay, it is more like a canopy shelter kind of thing. It's not really like, you know, a tent where it's all seal up and weatherproof and all that. All right, but this one is, the main purpose is to actually give you some shades and all that from the sun. It's very comfortable. This one is huge. It weighs about 8.3 kg, okay, all in, and the size of it is 4.2 meter by 4.2 meters, so it's, you can imagine, huge, and it's about 2.25 meter in the middle, so it's way taller than what I am, so I don't have to, you know, bend my head down and all that when I'm inside. I cannot wait to show you how this is being set up, and I'm going to challenge myself today by setting this up by myself. Okay, I'm not sure whether it can be done, but I'll try my best. So how I come to know about this canopy was I think maybe a month or two ago on a Facebook, someone was selling this secondhand, and I kind of like it a lot, and the price seems reasonable. I think they were selling it like $180 or something like that, and unfortunately my fingers were not quick enough. Someone got it before I did, but the seller was very nice. He sent me a link where he got it from, which is from Taobao, and then I went to the link, and it happens that they were having a huge promotion during that time, and I got this at a really good price. So it arrived like 2 weeks later, okay, which was last week, and I haven't got the time to do any unboxing. I have seen it, I have seen how big it is and all that, so today I'm going to attempt to set it up myself. Okay, so without further ado, let's go. So finally it's all set up. I hope the video wasn't too long. I did a time-lapse on the setting up so that it doesn't take up too much time, and I did it in approximately 21-22 minutes alone. 21 to 22 minutes, and this is the first time I'm doing it. I believe I can do it even faster with more practice. I hope to keep it below 20 minutes. I think it's quite reasonable. If you set this up alone and you take about 15 to 20 minutes, I think it's quite reasonable. A bit sweating already, even under this nice weather. So if it is hot, get ready an extra t-shirt, okay? Because it's going to be sweaty. What you see here is the all open configuration. So it comes with the original canopy, comes with two sides of cover. So you can cover either of the two sides using hook. So it's a hook, a T hook into the ring all around. It is not a like a tight seal, so you know there's still going to be some ventilation, but I'm worried that, you know, heavy rain, water might seep through because there's going to be gaps in between, even though there's a little bit of overlapping. So what I did was I ordered two more covers, so during raining time, or if I want some privacy, I will close all the four sides, but the original canopy comes with two sides. It's pretty sturdy. It's not windy today, so we can't test the wind, and we cannot test the rain as well because it's not raining. But this is how huge it is, you know. When I stand in the middle, I just barely touching the hook in the middle. There's a center hook there where you can hang a light or a fan, and then you see at the entrance, I don't even need to lower my head. I'm 175 cm tall. In the middle, definitely there's more than enough space, because this is the highest point here is 225 cm if I'm not wrong. Only until here at the corner here is starting to touch my head. Otherwise, I think it's very well made. Very sturdy. Very sturdy. Definitely can hold about 12 people, not an issue. With your tables and chairs, the whole family can gather around and have a gathering. And then with the covers, if the sun is on one of the sides, like early morning or early evening or late evening, you have sun coming on one side, you just cover it with a cover. So you can cover two sides, one side, three sides, four sides. It's up to you. But I'm pretty happy with it, and I believe you can pack this down on the floor if you want to. Probably on the metal ring here below, you can pack it down. Okay, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with this, and I'm pretty surprised that I can do it, and also about 20 minutes, so I'm quite happy with it. I hope you like this video, and I look forward to making more videos like this for you guys. Have a good day. Take care.